A layered security model provides a more comprehensive and effective approach to security than relying on a single security measure. By implementing multiple layers of security, organizations can reduce the risk of cyberattacks or security breach incidents, including increased security. By implementing multiple layers of security, an organization can create a more secure environment for its assets, data, and systems. Each layer of security provides a unique form of protection and helps to mitigate the risk of a breach. Reduced risk. A layered security model reduces the risk of a successful cyberattack or security breach by requiring attackers to bypass multiple security measures. This makes it more difficult for attackers to succeed and gives security teams more time to detect and respond to threats. Greater resilience. In the event of a security breach, a layered security model provides additional layers of defense that can help contain the damage and limit the impact of the attack. This can help organizations minimize the damage to their assets and reputation while a quick recovery is in progress. Improved compliance. A layered security model can help organizations adhere to international standards and regulations for security. Many regulations and standards require multiple layers of security to be in place, making a layered approach essential for compliance. Flexibility. A layered security model allows organizations to select their control measures for their specific needs, risks, and budget. This means that organizations can prioritize the most critical assets and systems with the strongest security measures, while implementing less robust measures for less critical assets. A strategy for guarding against ascendant polymorphic malware. Protection from attack via email attachment, files, adware, links, apps, and more. DNS-level security to defend against threats originating at the network level. End-user education programs to address the source of 93% of all data breaches, user error. Layered security in cybersecurity is focused on creating as many detection points as possible in order to identify and neutralize cyber threats and breach attempts. Let's take a closer look at everything involved in creating a layered security strategy.